Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit WordPress website in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to unmute. So first of all, open your website Cpanel and then open File Manager and open Public HTML, WP Content, and open Themes folder. And here you will be able to see all the themes which are installed on your WordPress website. So from here you have to open that theme folder, which one is activated. So this one, my theme, so I'm going to open this folder and open that file which you want to edit. So suppose I'm going to edit my index file, so right click above it and click on edit file. Then from here you'll be able to edit your website, and after editing you have to click on the save changes. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the video description below. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel How to Unminute. Thank you so much for watching.